How to log in or sign in to DBS Bank online. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log in or sign in to DBS Bank online. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in DBS Bank online. Now press enter on your keyboard. From the result page, you will get different kinds of websites for login into the DBS Bank. Open any one of those and then you will land on the official interface of DBS Bank Online. Now click on the login button at top right corner once you land on this interface. Now waiting for a while, you will easily get into the login page. Once you have landed on the section, you need to simply enter your username and password and then click on the login button to get access to your DBS Internet Banking online account. So I hope this video worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.